Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming prerequisites, matching Xcode and Swift toolchain, correct target membership, and that your types are registered in the container. Next, scan your import lines and access levels. Private or file private will block injection. Then build with clean derived data to surface linker or symbol errors. Once done, run a small unit test that resolves a simple dependency to confirm the container returns an instance. Make sure to note any runtime errors for the next detailed pass. Now dig into the complex middle steps. Read stack traces and logs to find where resolution fails, then inspect initializer parameters and protocol conformance. If you see nil or unexpected types, switch to explicit factory methods or provider closures. For circular references, introduce lazy resolution, weak references, or an abstract provider to break the cycle. Once you update registrations, rerun the failing test and step through the resolver to confirm the correct implementation is returned, and dependencies are instantiated in the finish by running integration and UI tests to validate end-to-end behavior. Make sure production and test containers register identical contracts or provide clear overrides for testing. If a component still isn't injected, add an explicit manual injection fallback for critical paths while you diagnose. Finally, enable verbose resolver logs and rerun the failing scenario to capture missing registrations, type mismatches, or access level errors. If logs are unclear, reproduce the issue in a minimal sample project to isolate the root cause.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.